Hello and welcome to this video on relay and circuit breaker. By the end of this video, you will be able to answer the following questions. What is the use of relay in a power system network? Can a relay open a circuit in the event of a fault? What is the use of circuit breaker in a power system network? Explain the operation of circuit breaker. Explain the major differences between circuit breaker and a relay. Basically, relay acts as a switching or protecting device which gives a signal to the circuit breaker of the arrival of any fault in the circuit, as the pre-described safe limit is crossed by the circuit and it is controlled by a low power signal. And the circuit breaker on the other hand is automatic or manually operated protecting device which comes into operation as soon as it receives a signal from the relay connected in the circuit. So the relay sends a signal to the circuit breaker to asking it to open the circuit on the occurrence of an error in the circuit, and it protects the circuit from any damage by disconnecting or breaking the contact of the circuit. Okay. Now let us consider an example of a circuit. Here a trip circuit is shown in the figure. This is a circuit breaker. This is a bus bar. In the circuit breaker side we have a current transformer connected here, and on this side we have a trip coil which will operate or open the circuit breaker on the occurrence or on the event of a fault. And in the trip coil is connected to a battery, and this circuit will be closed by a relay contact, and this relay contact is controlled by a relay coil, and this relay coil is connected to the secondary of the current transformer. And so the current transformer is connected on the high power level, and this secondary will have lower current level, and this circuit or this coil will energize the relay contacts and make the relay or trip circuit closed. And once the tripping circuit is closed, the circuit breaker will open the circuit. So this works like this. On the event of a fault in the system, the current sensed by the current transformer will be very high, and it will go above the set value, and so the current in the secondary of the current transformer will be of higher magnitude, and it will pass through the relay coil, and it attracts the relay coil contacts, and it will close the trip circuit, and the current starts flowing in the trip circuits, and it will energize the trip coil, and the circuit breaker will be open. So the relay coil is a sensing part, and it sends a signal to the circuit breaker to open the circuit on the occurrence of a fault in the circuit. And these are the basic differences between a relay and circuit breaker. And the working principle: the relay is a switching device which gives a signal to the circuit breaker as soon as the fault occurs in the power system, and the circuit breaker breaks the circuit automatically when it receives the signal from the relay. And the working is: the relay does not break the contact, it only senses the error and send the signal to the circuit breaker. So the relay only senses this error and sends signal to the circuit breaker, and the circuit breaker breaks the circuit contacts. And the type of device used in the relay is a switching and sensing device, whereas a circuit breaker is an isolating or disconnecting device. And the voltage level: relays operate on low power input voltage, whereas a circuit breaker is an automatic on load device, so it is connected on the load side. Okay, that is all for this video.